This screencast is going to briefly explain what ionization energy is, and we're going to think about that with respect to how the effect is on the periodic table. All right, let's formulate a definition for ionization energy. Sometimes ionization energy is called ionization potential. Ionization potential. Okay, and ionization energy is, as you can look at this graphic, you can see that there's this energy that's going into some kind of change. And then on the other side of the arrow, on the product side, you have an electron that is leaving. Okay, so the ionization energy is the energy needed to remove or release an electron. Okay, so if you are looking at how much energy it takes to bump off the outermost electron, you would be essentially looking at what happens when you make a positive ion. So when we bump off an electron leaves, we're left with an overall positive charge. So if you think about the periodic table and which side of the periodic table has positive charges, so typically we have negatives over here and we have positives up through the middle here, and then we have our fuzzy area in the middle. If you look at the left side of the periodic table, typically we are forming positive charged particles or ions. So it would make sense for the energy to be less where you would want to be a positive ion. On the side that is typically a negative, meaning gaining electrons, it's going to take a lot of energy to push an electron out of those atoms. So you'll be able to formulate some kind of trend now based on how much energy it takes to remove the outermost electron.